You posted a job, received hundreds of applications, and still spent weeks screening resumes, scheduling interviews, and chasing feedback. 3 months later, the position is still open. Meet Hireonix AI, an AI-powered hiring and workforce platform helping startups, SMBs, and enterprises move from job post to signed offer in as little as 3 to 15 days. Create a job in minutes. Our AI suggests the job description, required skills, experience, screening questions, and hiring criteria, helping you attract the right candidates from day one. Hire externally, internally, or both. Publish roles for outside candidates, open opportunities to existing employees, or allow team members to apply across eligible departments. Every applicant is automatically screened, scored, and ranked against your criteria. The strongest candidates rise to the top while your team avoids hours of manual resume review. Run coding, aptitude, communication, personality, and role-specific assessments with AI proctoring. Or let Alex, your autonomous AI recruiter, source candidates, conduct skill assessments, respond to job seeker queries, conduct first-round interviews, ask follow-up questions, generate instant reports, and recommend you the best candidate to hire in 15 days. Hireonix provides dedicated dashboards for company HR heads, department HR teams, managers, hiring teams, and employees, each with their own permissions, responsibilities, and hiring visibility. HR leaders can manage recruitment across the company. Departments can create their own jobs, managers can raise hiring requests, review candidates, and track approvals. Employees can discover and apply for internal opportunities. Teams can also create job groups to discuss candidates, share feedback, tag decision makers, compare evaluations, and shortlist the best applicant together. And once someone is hired, manage onboarding, employee records, attendance, leave, compensation verification, and payroll from the same connected ecosystem. Hireonix AI, one platform to hire, manage, and pay your workforce. Book your free demo today.